Hey Vance, come here.
What's up?
Here, it's your turn to sweep up.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Bro, no, this is your turn, clearly.
No, it's obviously your turn to sweep up.
Bro, I sweep last time.
Alright, I don't remember, so why don't we flip a coin for it?
Alright, I don't think I have a coin here.
You don't have a coin? I don't have a coin either. Alright, I'll be right back. I wasn't able to run a roughing pass first, so I just went in with the ball nose, and I figured it would take two passes, one where I just sort of messed it all up, and then another one where it cleaned it up. And you can see here I have these lines that are too deep and they're indented, and what I think happened is occasionally one of these curls would get stuck into the end mill, or into the ball nose end mill, and drag along and push down a little further. So what I'm doing now that I've done it is I'm going to reset my zero, then I'm going to drop it down like 2/100ths of an inch and run the file again, and that should take care of all these imperfections, and then I can go and continue. Action.
3 hours later.
Did you sweep yet?
No, man, I'm just taking some fresh air.
Right, because we're supposed to flip for it.
Jeez, what? Get out.
Heads I win, tails you lose, okay?
Whoa, wait. Graz is... Okay, whatever.
You flip it. Heads I win, tails you lose. Okay, heads, I win. You got to sweep. You want to do best? You want to do best out of 5?
It's rigged.
Heads, I win. Heads, I win. Do it again. Tails, you lose.
Wait, it's rigged.
Have you figured it out yet?
Yeah.
I imagine a lot of you were wondering, well, why did I make a 13-inch coin with my friend John Graziano on the head side and a cat's butt on the tail side? And the best answer I can come up with right now is because I can. So this is Graz of Graz Makes. Make sure you check him out on YouTube, and special thanks to Cameron Porter of Cammy's Garage on YouTube, who did this caricature of Graz that I used on the coin. The other reason I made this was to continue to learn how to 3D model in Vectric and to try out my new Avid CNC machine and kind of really put it through its paces cutting some aluminum. If I were to do this again, I would actually make my graphic a little bit deeper so I could sand it more and get more of the shadow lines out. And I would probably, and I will, experiment more with feeds and speeds on aluminum because I think I could have gotten a better finish if I did a few things a little bit differently. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. You know what? I take that back. I'm going to flip the coin, and if I win, you have to like, share, and subscribe, and if I lose, well, heads I win, tails you lose. Heads I win, like, share, and subscribe. Flip it up really high.
Like super high?
Yeah. Is it tails?
Yeah.
Tails, you lose.
Heads, I win. Heads, I win. Heads, I win. Tails, you lose.
Tails, I lose. Heads, I lose.
That's right. So, go sweep up.
Stupid Benjamin.